Suddenly, 1960, I am 17 at the time. Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru died.
Okay.
For that, Kavingar Kannadasan, he wrote a poem. It was published in the magazine,
newspaper, magazine.
paper, daily papers. I read the lyrics. சீரிய நெற்றி எங்கே சிவந்த நல் இதழ்கள் எங்கே கூரிய விழிகள் எங்கே குறுநகை போனதெங்கே நேரிய பார்வை எங்கே நிமிர்ந்த நன்னடைதான் எங்கே நிலமெல்லாம் வணங்கும் தோற்றம் நெருப்பினில் வீழ்ந்ததெங்கே ஐயகோ ஐயகோ லைக் தட் கவிஞர் wrote the lyrics. At the time, I was thinking when I saw the lyrics in the Communist Party office, my brother's other room, we were in the hall playing harmonium. I was singing myself. I started singing, making tune for that lyrics. சீரிய நெற்றி எங்கே சிவந்த நல் இதழ்கள் எங்கே கூரிய விழிகள் எங்கே குறுநகை போனதெங்கே நேரிய பார்வை எங்கே நிமிர்ந்த நன்னடைதான் இங்கே நிலமெல்லாம் வணங்கும் தோற்றம் நெருப்பினில் வீழ்ந்ததெங்கே This song I composed in the office room. My brother is another room. He was hearing this. Evening program started. Our Bharata Pradhamar, because of Bharata Pradhamar has passed away. This is the Anjali program we are doing. So that next you are going to hear the song lyrics written by Kavingar Kannadasan. Kavingar Kannadasan, I got shocked. Wow, see, he accepted my tune. He accepted. That is a very
That was a big
great
moment.
thing. Never happened. Accepted and people were. He accepted and I sang.
You sang it.
So the composing matter is started like that.
இந்த தேகம் மறைந்தாலும்